What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. By the title of this video, you guys already know what's going down. Test drive. We finally got the car back off the jacks. Got the brakes bled. We checked fluids. Everything looks good. We fixed that leak, obviously, at the oil filter. And I just want to see if it moves. We're not going to do anything crazy today. I just want to make sure that actually the transmission is working. We checked the fluid. We got fluid in that thing. Again, we're just gonna drive it up and down the block real quick, fingers crossed, make sure nothing weird is going on, and just to kind of make sure it's moving okay. Obviously, we got to make sure there's no other bugs that we got to work out, and there's always going to be bugs. It's just the way this thing goes. But let's see what happens. Let's go for a little drive. We'll see. Brakes for sure. We had a small leak, and I think that's what happened. We had a small leak up at the reservoir up there, and we definitely don't feel great. So we gotta make sure this thing even stops. So it'll go and dry. That's good. Yeah, brakes definitely need to be pre-bled for sure. Oh yeah. We're just gonna do a small, slow straight because I don't feel good about these brakes. Definitely we're gonna have to re-bleed these brakes. These feel super sketch. Might even need some more transmission fluid. The shifting feels a little bit off, but obviously nothing's tuned yet. We still gotta get the car tuned, but definitely gonna have to pull this thing back in and check all the fluids, re-bleed those brakes because they're feeling sketch. Well, you guys, it moved, but it didn't move very well because we got some issues going on there with the shifter, the floor shifter. I think we're gonna have to adjust some of the linkage down on the transmission side and at the shifter as well. I didn't like how that felt. And then the big one is the steering. I don't like the way the steering feels, and I think it has to do, obviously we have that two-piece shaft in there, and I feel like we got some binding going on. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about that. Not to mention, I just found power steering fluid leaking. So I gotta see what's going on with that. So we got a whole punch list to do. Not to mention the brakes. The brakes are like barely there. I mean, obviously it doesn't help that nothing's broken in with the rotors and pads, but definitely we gotta re-bleed those and see what's going on with that. But guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Not much to show you guys today, but do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. You guys already know. Stay wrenching.